Hey everyone, welcome to the Peppy World channel. Today I'll be showcasing Peppy World's latest product, the Galpal Cottage Dreams Washi Tape Set. This washi tape set will make you feel like you're in a dream. I couldn't resist and tore open the outer packaging because I have a weakness for beautiful things. I'm going to show you every single detail of this product because it's absolutely amazing. Let's start with the outer box and I'll show you all the details. Would you just look at how adorable this is? You'll find plenty of gold star patterns throughout this product. I especially love this particular detail on the box. When we open the box, we're greeted by a sticker sheet. Let me show you a close-up of the details. Look at how cute these are. Each one has its own unique beauty. Now let's take a look at the other one. Check this out, it's so adorable. I'm about to show you what you'll love most about this. I think my favorite thing about it is that it comes pre-cut. Don't forget, these 2 sticker sheets are actually included as a gift. Now it's time to check out those amazing washi tapes. Look at how beautiful these are. They've already caught my eye. I'll show them to you in order from smallest to largest. Let's start with the smallest one. This is definitely my favorite. Just look at how beautiful it is. It's amazing. All of them are tiny, elegant, and eye-catching. The gold accents add an extra touch of beauty. As for the measurements, it's 2.5 centimeters wide and 5 meters long. In short, I can say it's a high-quality washi tape with a gold foil pattern. Now, let's move on to the other washi tape. I'm sure you'll love the patterns on this one. Just look at how beautiful and adorable these girls are. I can't wait to use this tape in my planner because the details are amazing. I think this girl sticker is my favorite on this tape, especially because I love the pink color and it reminds me of summer. The size of this tape is 4.5 centimeters wide and 5 meters long. Now let's take a look at our other tape. This is my favorite after the smallest one because I fell in love with the details. For example, look at these. They are incredibly beautiful and sweet. The phrases on this tape are also nice. My favorite girl on this tape is definitely this one. She's so aesthetically pleasing. The dimensions of this tape are 5.5 centimeters wide and 5 meters long. Now it's time for our last and biggest washi tape set. I think you're going to love it. Just look at how beautiful these are. Every single detail is absolutely stunning. It's going to be very difficult for me to choose my favorite design in this set because they're all so gorgeous. But if I had to pick, I think it would be this one and that one since I'm a huge fan of plants and flowers. Also, if you're ready, I'm going to show you a little magic trick. Check this out. Isn't that amazing? I can't wait to start using the designs featured here. The dimensions of this washi tape set are as follows. Each roll is 7.5 centimeters wide and 5 meters long. With all its intricate details and patterns, this set has completely stolen my heart. I am absolutely in love with it. Now let's put together a page using these products. We're going to do our journaling in this notebook because it's fantastic and I absolutely love it. Today I'll be using the craft paper notebook that's at the end. First things first, I'll show you the materials I need. My glue, my scissors, and my tweezers. These are my go-to tools. I'm going to make a small hole with my tweezers and start tearing it gently. I really enjoy using this method. Now let's do this slowly. I'm starting to cut. Our base is ready. We can start making a journal now. I actually wanted to use summer colors, but I'm going to make a more vintage style page because it suits the craft color. I'm going to use the materials here for this. I love doing this movement every time. I can start gluing now. I'm placing it here. Just make this gesture to check if it matches. I'm very indecisive about which one to choose, but I think this one suits the page. I'm cutting slowly and carefully. I can say that it's quite easy to cut. You never get tired. I'm going to cut these because I don't like the white images here. I'm placing it carefully now. This is the lead role on this page. Everything else is around. It will be similar to its colors. Now I'm going to use some of the patterns on this tape. I will place the pieces that I have prepared in order according to my own mind. The page keeps getting more beautiful as we continue to add to it. Look at how cute these are. They're all so adorable. I'm placing my final piece now. This is how it looks for the moment. Let's continue a bit more. I'm cutting a small piece of paper and carefully placing it. Then I'm putting the other cut piece here. I want to use some of these stickers too. This one catches my eye, so I'm easily peeling it off and sticking it where I want. I'm doing the same on the other side and finally on our page. Now I want to add some text. I think text really completes the page. I'm gently separating it and sticking it where I want. I'm adding our other white piece here too. Yes, we can say our page is finished now. I really love the details, and I hope you do too. Also, please share in the comments what you like most about this product. See you in the next video. Take care.